In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix 404 page not found error GitHub. If your GitHub page's site is returning a 404, the fix usually comes down to checking the page's configuration for your repository. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can get your site online quickly. Start by opening the repository that should be serving your site. From there, you'll head straight to the place where GitHub Pages lives and where most 404 issues can be identified and resolved. First, open your repository settings. You'll find the Settings tab along the top of the repository interface. This area controls repository-wide options, and it's where GitHub centralizes publishing and deployment settings for pages. Going through settings ensures you're not guessing. You're looking directly at the configuration GitHub uses to build and serve your site. Inside Settings, locate and click Pages. In many layouts, it appears in the sidebar under a section for Code and Publishing. This is the hub for GitHub Pages. Here, you'll see the source configuration that tells GitHub which branch and folder to publish from, the current build and deployment status, and the public URL where your site should be available. If there's a 404, the Pages screen is the best place to confirm what GitHub thinks your site setup is. Take a moment to review what you see up on this Pages screen. If a source is shown, that means Pages is configured. If it indicates that publishing is disabled or that no source is selected, that would explain the 404. You may also notice a build status message. If it shows that a build is in progress, your site might temporarily 404 until the deployment completes. The Pages URL is also displayed here. Verify that you're visiting exactly that URL when testing. Common causes of a 404 include pointing to a branch or folder that doesn't contain an index, or a valid site output, recently creating or renaming branches so the configured source no longer matches your content, or using a custom domain without valid DNS pointing to GitHub Pages. If you rely on a static site generator, make sure the output folder you expect is the one shown on this page. For custom domains, this section will also show DNS checks and whether the domain is verified, which can affect availability. After reviewing the page's details, give deployments a minute to complete and refresh your site URL. If the status indicates a failed build, check the related logs shown on this page for clues. With the settings and pages views open, you have everything you need to pinpoint and resolve the 404.